Today we have something special once again, and let's not wait too long until we open this one, so let's go ahead. Already now you can tell what it is. It's an MTG and it's a carbon monocoque, but this box is actually bigger than the previous one that I unboxed, so let's see what's inside. Are you as excited as I am? And here we have something that I haven't seen before. This is a tourist warranty card. And there is something on this paper. So maybe we need this to get the warranty. I'm not sure about Casio and warranty. And do you need a warranty for a G-Shock watch? It will last you forever, right? Let's just look at the papers quickly. This is a regular paper package. We don't need to talk too much about that. And this one. And here we have another clue of what's inside. There is a tool. There is a tool in this package. So you might already know what it is, and I've probably written it already in the description of the video. But let's have a go. Boom! This is the MTG-B2000BDE -1A something. Maybe I can find it. Yeah, here. So let it focus, and there we got it. This is a limited edition, I think, and I purchased this from Japan because I can't actually get this in Norway from a AD in Norway. But so that's why I have to purchase it from Japan. Chrono24, you will find some of these, and I got a really nice price from this company Ippo, Japan company. So reach out to them if you would like the same watch for a decent price. And this is brand new condition. And what we have else in the box is actually a band that you can replace with the bracelet. And that's what the tool is for. The functionality is the same as the B2000-1A, the standard one. And I will bring it into the picture. It's the exact same watch, but it has some other details that I like really much. And especially, I will show you that you see this has black resin on this watch, which blends nicely with the black, I think it's DLC coating on this watch. But here you will see that it's black and stainless, and also on the clasp here we have black and stainless, which gives a bit of a contrast, and I don't like that this is plastic. I don't know why they put plastic there, but it's the same here, but it's a little bit more camouflaged with the black coated stainless steel. And that's why I like this watch a lot better. And you got some red details. Yeah, you can see it here. The red details on the second time zone, and also on the indices, the second indices here in between the hours. So yeah, functionality the same. It's Bluetooth, atomic clock, it's another time zone, days, date, yeah, anything you can think of, alarm, timer, and stopwatch. And also a light, this one. And you can see already I'm blasting a light onto this watch, and you can see the light here. It's really, really visible. Great watch, in my opinion. On the wrist here, it's really big, and that's the nature of G-Shocks, but I love it. I love it's how big it is and how it feels. I like the bracelet watches and the steel watches. They have some weight on the wrist, but yeah. I think if I had a smaller wrist, it wouldn't actually fit me that well, but I think I have a 17 centimeters, 17, 18, and I think that's about the limit to wear this kind of watch without it looking silly. That's it for the unboxing, guys, and I want to thank you for watching another video of mine. And I also saw the G2100 video got actually over 10,000 views, which is amazing, and I want to thank you for that. And have a nice one. Bye bye.